Hello students, today we will study experiments on respiration in plants. First experiment is experiment to prove that oxygen is used up in respiration. For this experiment, we have to set up this type of experimental setup. In this setup, we require two conical flasks. Flask A and flask B. In flask A and B, we will put wet cotton at the bottom of the flask. In flask A, we will put some germinating seeds. In flask B, we will put some dead bean seeds. Dead seeds, the seeds that are boiled. On boiling, they become dead. So we will keep some boiled seeds over the wet cotton here, and we will add a little amount of antiseptic also to prevent the bacterial growth. Now we will place a small test tube in both the beakers containing soda lime. Soda lime will absorb carbon dioxide released during the process of respiration. Now we will connect both of these tubes, both of these conical flasks with a tube, and that tube is dipped in a container containing water in it. We will make the apparatus airtight so that air from outside cannot enter inside. Now we will leave the apparatus as such for few days. After few days, we will observe that the water in tube A, in the tube that is connected to flask A, will rise more in comparison to the tube connected to flask B. Now, what is the reason for this? In flask A, we have taken germinating seeds. So, these germinating seeds will respire. During respiration, they will absorb oxygen present in this conical flask. And what they will release? They will release carbon dioxide. Now that carbon dioxide will be absorbed by soda lime. So when they keep on respiring, they will consume whole oxygen present in this conical flask. And whatever carbon dioxide they will release, that will be absorbed by soda lime. So when all the gases will be absorbed from here, vacuum will be created here. And due to capillary action, the water will rise up in this tube because the vacuum is created here. That's why water will rise in this tube. Now in flask B, because we have taken dead seeds, therefore they will not respire. Right? Carbon dioxide that is present in this flask will be absorbed by soda lime. Due to absorption of this carbon dioxide, little pressure will be created here, due to which water will slightly rise up here. Right? But total vacuum will not be created here. Therefore, the water will rise to the small extent only. So this experiment proves that oxygen is required for the process of respiration. Yeah, oxygen is used up in respiration.